Everyone talks about crypto, but here's the real question. Should you put your money in Bitcoin or take the risk with Memecoins? Today, I'll break down the truth between BTC and Memecoins, what's safer, what's riskier, and which one can actually make you more money in 2025. Let's go. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, the first digital currency ever created. It's limited to 21 million coins, fully decentralized, and runs on a secure blockchain. People trust Bitcoin because it's not controlled by any government or company. It's slow, yes, but strong, like gold for the crypto world. Many investors see it as a long-term store of value. Now, what about Memecoins? Memecoins are tokens inspired by jokes, internet trends, or communities like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or the new ones popping up every week. They usually start as memes, but sometimes grow into big ecosystems. They don't always have strong fundamentals. They grow from hype, community, and FOMO. But sometimes, that hype can bring massive profits in a short time. So here's the main difference. Bitcoin is built for stability and long-term growth. Memecoins are built for speculation, quick moves, high risk, high reward. Bitcoin might give you 50% or 100% in a bull run. But a Memecoin? It can do 100x or go to zero the next week. That's the reality. If you're new to crypto, Bitcoin is your safe zone. It's less risky, more proven, and accepted worldwide. But if you like taking risks, chasing big returns, then you can allocate a small part of your portfolio to Memecoins. Just never invest what you can't afford to lose. Because Memecoins are unpredictable. Today's star can be tomorrow's rug pull. Let's take examples. Bitcoin was $100 back in 2013. Today, it's around tens of thousands. Dogecoin was literally a joke, and it made millionaires in 2021. Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk all gave insane returns when the community went crazy. But for every one success, there are 100 Memecoins that die silently. That's why you need to research before you jump in. My opinion, BTC is the foundation. It's what gives the crypto market credibility. Memecoins are the entertainment. They bring fun, attention, and sometimes huge profit. So I like to hold both. Bitcoin for security, Memecoins for opportunity. That's balance, smart play in the crypto world. In the next bull run, both will shine. Institutions will keep buying Bitcoin, while the internet will keep creating new Memecoins. If you understand how to ride both waves, you win. Crypto is about timing, patience, and community. So what do you think, Bitcoin or Memecoins? Which one do you trust more? Comment your answer below. I'll read them all. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our crypto family. More powerful videos coming soon.